Welcome to Yachting Hub Miami, the Yacht and Boat Spotter channel. Today's video, yacht spotting in the famous intracoastal waterways, in the city of Aventura, close to Golden Beach. Miami Living Real Estate, promoting the yachting lifestyle in South Florida. Are you searching for a home or condo with easy ocean access? Call us and we can help find the right one for you. Vivian Marie Toppe, Deedit Realty, is a realtor serving Southeast Florida for over 18 years with proven experience and knowledge that can help navigate the complex process of finding a suitable home for you and your yacht. You can contact her at 786-312-1199 or visit her Instagram account at Aventura Realtor. She will help you find your next dream home or condo. Don't hesitate to contact her today. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you did like it. Remember to give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and subscribe to the channel to view more yacht content from Miami. Have a good day, and thanks for watching.